Want to make your Tesla toot? Tesla vehicles, including the Model 3, YS, and X, have a built-in emissions testing mode or other playful Easter eggs that let you trigger fart noises. These are part of Tesla's fun approach to software, often updated via over-the-air updates. This video will show you how to access these hidden features and unleash some auditory humor. Tesla's software includes these Easter eggs to add humor and engagement. The emissions testing mode is a hidden feature that allows prank sounds, contrasting with the car's silent electric operation. These features are delivered through over-the-air updates, keeping the car's software fresh and fun. Here's how the activation process typically works, with a simulated success rate. The fart noise feature is typically found hidden in the touchscreen interface. This is Tesla's main control system, where most customization happens. First, navigate to the Service menu on the main touchscreen. This is where Tesla hides many advanced options. Inside the Service menu, look for Developer Mode or similar options. This is available in Tesla software versions 2024.3 and later. Be careful, as enabling this may affect your warranty. There isn't an official button for this feature, so you'll need to explore and perform specific sequences. Try holding down the brake pedal icon for several seconds, or navigate to the horn button within the Controls menu and interact with it in a special way. Remember to explore the touchscreen interface carefully. The exact sequence or location might vary slightly depending on your Tesla's specific software version. Take your time and be patient. Once you've accessed the emissions testing mode or related setting in your Tesla's infotainment system, you can assign the fart sound to different vehicle actions. This allows you to customize when the humorous sound plays. A common trigger is to assign the fart sound to the turn signal. Simply press the turn signal lever or tap the turn signal icon on screen to produce the sound effect. Another popular choice is linking the fart noise to the horn. When you press the horn button or icon, you'll hear the distinctive sound instead of the normal horn. For a more subtle approach, you can set the fart sound to play when pressing the brake pedal while the vehicle is stationary. This works best when parked and adds a fun element to everyday interactions. The Tesla infotainment system allows for experimentation with these settings. You can try different combinations and triggers to discover what works best for your sense of humor. Remember that these customizations are part of Tesla's playful Easter eggs. Always ensure your modifications don't interfere with vehicle safety or operation. Advanced Tesla pranks involve customizing your vehicle's display screens. You can modify the energy or trip screens to show fake emissions data, creating the emissions toy effect that humorously simulates pollution from an electric vehicle. Tesla's energy screen normally shows battery consumption and efficiency data. This clean display tracks your driving energy use without any emissions metrics. The trip screen displays consumption over distance traveled. Like the energy screen, it focuses on efficiency rather than emissions. To create emissions toy pranks, you'll need third-party tools. Start by using apps like TeslaWare to jailbreak your Tesla's software. Then add custom widgets that overlay fake emissions data on the energy or trip screens. Once customized, your screen can display humorous fake emissions data. This creates an ironic contrast since Tesla vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions. The prank can show accumulating fake carbon footprint data, like kilograms of CO2 emitted, even though the vehicle is electric. Be aware that using third-party tools to customize your Tesla's software will void your vehicle warranty. This is a community-developed feature, not officially supported by Tesla. Emissions toy pranks are popular among Tesla enthusiasts who enjoy the ironic humor of showing pollution data on emission-free vehicles. They're shared widely on forums and social media. While the main fart noise activation happens in the car, the Tesla app version 4.28 and later allows for some remote pranks. You might be able to remotely trigger sounds or change the screen if your vehicle is unlocked and connected. App-based pranks are limited to notifications or visual gags, but still offer some remote fun. For example, you can remotely change displays to show humorous animations like a farting exhaust pipe or send notifications to the vehicle. Keep in mind that remote pranks require the vehicle to be unlocked and connected. According to recent data, remote interactions have increased by 15% with the latest app updates. Safety must come first when using Tesla prank features. Responsible pranking ensures that sound or display changes don't distract you while driving, maintaining focus on the road. Fart sounds and similar pranks should ideally only activate during stationary actions such as braking while the vehicle is parked. This prevents any potential interference with driving safety. Tesla regularly updates their software to patch past exploits that could cause distractions, ensuring compliance with safety standards and protecting drivers from unnecessary risks. Experts warn that a small percentage of customizations, around 5 to 10%, could potentially distract drivers if not used carefully. Always follow Tesla's safety guidelines. The Tesla community is filled with creative pranksters, sharing their discoveries on platforms like Reddit's r/Tesla forum and YouTube channels such as Tesla Raj. One viral prank involves overlaying fake exhaust visuals on the Tesla screen. In 2023, a Reddit user shared a video that went viral, reaching over 1 million views and inspiring tutorials for custom emission displays. Another popular prank uses the Tesla app to remotely trigger sounds during road trips. YouTube creators like Tesla Raj demonstrate these, often resulting in viral videos and community-shared laughs, with high success rates among pranksters. Looking ahead, Tesla pranks are set to evolve with cutting-edge technology. Expect deeper integration with artificial intelligence and augmented reality, creating more immersive and interactive experiences in Tesla vehicles. Future full self-driving updates, like the upcoming V12, may introduce more interactive Easter eggs. These could include AI-generated sound effects or augmented reality overlays that respond to driving conditions, making pranks more dynamic and context-aware. App-controlled pranks will expand further, allowing remote activation of sounds or visual gags through the Tesla mobile app. This could enable friends to trigger emissions-themed displays or custom animations from anywhere, enhancing social interaction. However, regulatory bodies like NTSA may impose stricter controls to minimize distractions while driving. This could mean limits on in-car pranks or requirements for safety checks before activation. Despite potential restrictions, these pranks boost Tesla's cool factor and user engagement. As electric vehicles become mainstream, such features may become standardized, fostering community and brand loyalty through fun, human-centered design.